Hey guys, you want to see how I made this delicious vegan pepper soup? Well, stay tuned and I will take you through the recipe and show you how it is made. Okay, these are the ingredients that we will be using today. So we're going to start by spraying a little cooking spray in our pot. And then I'm going to add an onion that I diced up. This is a small onion. So as you can see, I didn't get some of the pieces cut up that small, but you just cut it up however you want to. Now I'm going to be adding this Impossible grounds to it. This is a vegan ground that gives you the texture and of having ground beef in your dish. And guys, we're just going to cook this with the onions until the grounds are nice and brown. So I'm going to let this cook up and then we will be back. All right, guys, so now we have the ground all browned up and the tomatoes, the onions are cooked down some. So I'm going to add in some garlic. And this is about 4 cloves of garlic that I chopped up. If you don't have fresh garlic, you can always use some minced garlic or garlic powder. And I'm just going to toss that up in there. It'll cook up during the process. And now we're going to get our peppers in there. I diced up about 4 bell peppers. This is 2 green bell peppers, 1 red bell pepper, and half each of an orange and yellow bell pepper. I like a lot of peppers in mine. And it's not going to seem like too much, trust me. And those also will cook down during the process. They will soften up some. Because it's a soup we're making, so it's all good. Now I'm going to add a can of tomato sauce. You can also choose to add diced tomatoes if you like instead of the tomato sauce. I would suggest like the fire roasted is really good in this, so you could do the fire roasted tomatoes and that would be really good. And now I'm going to add a can of tomato paste to this. I would have done the tomatoes, the fire roasted tomatoes, but I'm out, so that's why I used the tomato sauce. Now I'm going to add some vegetable broth. This is vegetable broth that I canned up myself. And I'm just adding a little at a time just to loosen up that tomato paste and get that incorporated in. But we are going to add the full 16-ounce jar of vegetable stock. All right, now let's season it. So I'm using the McCormick's garlic herb seasoning with a hint of pepper and sea salt. I'm using a teaspoon. I'm going to add about 4 to 6 teaspoons in here. And guys, you can use whatever seasoning you like. This is just what I like. I'm going to add in a couple more. So I started with 4. We're going to have a total of 6 teaspoons in this pot. And I'm going to add a little water to this too. So about a half a cup or so more liquid to this. I just wanted to have a nice soup consistency. So guys, after you get everything in there and all mixed up well, we are going to let this simmer on the stove covered. I'm going to cook it on a kind of low setting for about an hour. So I will come back after an hour and show you what it looks like. All right, guys, here is the finished product. So guys, I turned the heat off already, so that's why it's no longer bubbling, but I just turned it off. And there you have it. The vegetables are nice and cooked up. I have tasted it along the way as it was cooking. Very good flavor. I didn't have to add anything else to it. And guys, this is so good. Served over a cauliflower rice if you want to keep it low carb. I'm going to be having this over some brown rice. And you can also serve this over white rice if you like. It's really just a matter of preference. So guys, I hope you try this recipe. And if you do, remember to come back and let me know what you think about it and if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to share out the video and thumbs up the video. And I will talk to you guys again soon. All right. Bye.